Okay, Cindy Lynn here, and we have been hiking and having fun in Gatlinburg and Great Smoky Mountains. So one thing we would recommend if you're coming here to hike, especially for a day hike, is that you pick up this day hike map, and it gives a rundown of all the different types of popular hikes. This is only $1, and I'm pretty sure that the $1 just goes to the park too, so it's helping the park out. And then it also has a map on the inside. So yeah, pretty cool. That's what we use to find our hikes. We're heading down the Chimney Tops Trail, Gatlinburg, Great Smoky Mountains, Tennessee. These stone steps are cool.
So cool when you can hear.
Wow, this is cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Thank you. Well, I think we picked a good trail because this one has waterfalls and a view. We're heading up to the top of the waterfall. We got 0.8. Hi. We're going up the Chimney Tops Trail.
This is the strenuous part. It's almost straight up here to get to the top. As you can tell, I'm out of breath. Oh, I'm gonna quit talking. How are you, Tony? Woo, look at that shirt.
Starting to bleed through. Too far. Over you.
That's straight, and that's up.
Every now and then somebody comes down, which gives us
Hope.
hope. Now we got about 3/4 of a mile to go to the top.
That's
This
a
part
steep one.
reminds me of Lord of the Rings when they got to the stairs and he goes, climb, climb, climb. You gotta be kidding me. Putting this right at the end of this thing.
Yeah, it's whoop, straight up that way.
It's 45 degrees or more.
More. It's more. It's gonna feel like 90.
Yeah.
Straight up.
All right, onward.
All right, let's get Tony doing it here for me. Y'all don't be listening to my heavy breathing now, okay? How are y'all? Hello.
Does this or does it not look like a hobbit?
It does. It's turned witness.
Hobbit trail up here.
You know which would be a better view is getting down. There.
Point it straight so you can see how
Yeah, that's
down.
straight out. One step at a time. Literally. Whew. As you guys can see, my face is completely red. Tony's in the orange right there. And this thing is not ending. It just keeps going up and up and up and up. But we'll be there in a minute. And they said it's definitely worth the views. So we're getting ready to find out. Here we go. Also, the last people that we ran into, they weren't very encouraging. They're like, it's at least 15 or 20 more minutes. And that was just right back there. Like literally about 30 steps. So, but they also said it was definitely worth it. We're about to find out here in about 15 minutes. So we'll see you guys at the top. Okay, I'm doing a quick check-in because we passed a couple people and they said still about 5 minutes. But as you can see behind me, we're starting to get the gorgeous scenic views. So can't wait to see what's at the top of the 5 minutes. The one part we came to back there where I was videotaping, well, that was really strenuous. We had to stop several times, catch our breath. So this part's a little bit easier, but it's still uphill quite a bit. Oh, I got the stairs here. And as you can see, my face is red. Almost there. Oh, still 5 minutes.
Another set of steps and then around a curve.
All right. Ooh, that's a camera right there.
That's
Just a little one. Look at that view.
It looks like every spring.
It does, or like you said, Old Rag
Rag in
from Shenandoah.
Shenandoah Mountains, that's supposed to go, man. That's bad. That's
Pretty there too.
Yeah. Oh my God, awesome.
It's a pretty steep hike up though.
On this one?
Underestimated it. No, this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we did too. We did too.
Picture the stairs for a while there went like that. We took one to Shenandoah and the whole way we about died.
So the actual trail over to that mountain peak, Chimney Top Trail, is actually closed, but people just go around. So there are people over there climbing up it, but you're not supposed to. So this is the end of the trail for Chimney Tops, but you have a view this way, so.
I'm surprised more of that pine didn't burn in the fire. You know what? Those did burn. See, the trees are all burnt. How many tourists do you think fall off that sucker?
A lot.
It's real wide.
Well, we did it. We had the spectacular views and we're on our way back. Definitely worth it. But
it's all downhill from here.
It's all downhill from here. Like somebody else said, you know, you see the 2.6 miles coming in and you're like, oh, that's going to be easy. But it's not easy, folks. I mean, unless you're a complete avid hiker, and I'm talking going every week, it might not be so bad. But for the average recreational hiker, it's pretty hard, pretty strenuous, but it's definitely worth the peak.
And no, that's not a reindeer you hear. That's Cindy's bear bell.
Yeah, it's my bear bell. When there's mixed reviews about having a bear bell, so you can do your own reviews. Some say it would draw the bears into you, but in the country that we're in, the part of Smoky Mountains, it's mainly just black bears. So which are not as dangerous as brown bears or grizzlies.
It keeps you from scaring them.
Yeah, and it's supposed to alert them. They can hear it, so that they'll go the other way, and most of them do. We have not run into any bears here, Smoky Mountains, while we've been on a trail. We have in Shenandoah National Park. We do carry bear spray with us. Now, just in case, because the most dangerous is a mama with her cubs. Of course, you don't want to mess with a mama bear in more ways than one. They will protect to the death. So, but anyway, we are on our way back down. We had a fabulous view at the top. Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We love it here. And this is the first time we've really hit some big trails here at the park. So we're enjoying ourselves today. And we'll see you guys at the bottom. Peace out. Yeah, this is pretty wet here. You could slide easily. Which ones? Yeah. No, it feels good, doesn't it? Okay, we just got back from Chimney Tops Trail. It's extra strenuous, but it's fun with a nice view. So this is the pinnacle point of the Chimney Tops Trail that Tony and I took. And we did not know it at the time that we hiked the trail, that this is where the fire started in 2016. So apparently it was two juvenile teenagers that started the fire over on this pinnacle. It is now closed off to the public, or it's supposed to be closed off. Actually, people were climbing up this area when we were hiking. They just go around the closed off area and do what they want, apparently. But it is supposed to be closed off to visitors and hikers. Now, if you don't know about those Gatlinburg fires, they were pretty terrible. So it pretty much engulfed one whole side of the Great Smoky Mountains. It did reach down into Gatlinburg, and they had to rebuild a lot of the area. And at one time, they thought that they were going to have to evacuate the whole aquarium that sits down in Gatlinburg as well. But I'm going to go ahead and post some information in the description below if you want to know more information about those fires. And another little tidbit of information, we were actually there in November of 2016. It started on the 28th of November, and we had been there that whole week for Thanksgiving. We were leaving on a Sunday when we got notice that the fires had started. So it was actually pretty scary that we left the actual day that the fire started. But we want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about anything or the hike, please leave those in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, we are looking to get some more subscribers so we can reach that 3,000 mark. We appreciate everyone watching. Thank you so much.